If you want to send Meta AI-generated photos to others in WhatsApp, you can do that. In this video, we will be telling about how to send Meta AI-generated photos to others through WhatsApp directly. For this first, what we need to do is open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, select the contact to which you want to send Meta AI-generated photo. For example, I am selecting this contact. After that, down here, you can see one pin like button. Click on that pin like button when you are clicking on that. Here you can see one option, Imagine. Click on Imagine after clicking on that. Here you need to give any prompt. For example, I am giving one prompt. When you are typing that prompt only here, you can see so many results. You can select whichever result you want. To see more details, click on this next button. When you're clicking on that here, you can see generated photos. Here, not only one photo is generated. Here, they have generated many photos. You can select whichever photo you want. Or if you want to generate more photos, click on this refresh. When you are clicking on that, more photos will be generated. Anyways, for example, I am selecting this photo. After that, if you want to make any changes, click on Make Changes when you are clicking on that. If you want to animate this photo, click on Animate, and when you are clicking on that, that photo will be animated. Now here you can see animation has been added. After that, if you want to send this photo, click on this Send button. When you are clicking on that, that photo will be sent. So this way you can easily send Meta AI-generated photos to others through WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.